everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about 3 activities, and they're all about getting outdoors and looking at nature and wildlife. Now, you can go outside no matter what the weather. Just remember, if it's hot and sunny, you need to put on your sun lotion. You can even go out if it's been raining. Just remember your wellies. Okay, so for our first activity, activity number 1, I'm going to talk to you about the nature table. So here's our nature table. All you need is to print out your table or draw your own, a container or a bag to collect all your exciting wildlife things, and that's it. Then you can go out for a walk with your family or look in your garden at lots of things that you might be able to find. You might be able to see some flowers. Lots of different types of flowers, different colours. So you might see some flowers out on your walk. You can pop them into your container and take them home. You might see some grass out on your walk. Lots of green grass. I wonder how many different types of leaves you could find. Keep your eyes open and look for twigs. Lots of twigs. You might even find some rocks and mud. Remember to put them all into your container and take them home. And when you get home, you can either place them or stick them onto your nature table. And then have a think about the things you found. What colour are the flowers that you found? What do you think a bird might do with twigs and leaves? What would the bird make using these? Are the rocks you found hard or soft? So when you have finished your nature table, remember to wash your hands because you've been touching lots of things from outside. So we need to wash our hands. I hope you have fun filling in your nature table.